Welcome again. Join us and see some of Neil's spectacular drone photography as we travel to Brixham, Salcombe, Plymouth and Fowey. Out of the River Exe, heading west into Tor Bay and its stored cruise ships. Here is a 180-degree photo of Brixham from above. Very different. I love this overhead view of the marina. It's just a whole new perspective. There's Sea Pigeon right there, with our friend, moored right up next to us. This is the old town, Brixham, the best place in Devon for fish and chips. Our next stop is Salcombe, just a little way down the coast from Brixham. Salcombe is so beautiful, with layer upon layer of ancient history going back thousands of years.
Shows our anchorage just into the mouth of Salcombe, a fantastic calm anchorage. We were just about to get onto our next journey down towards the Plymouth area when some geezer in a boat comes up and charges us £5 for anchoring.
But Neil soon gets over his shock and we head further south towards Cornwall. Leaving the red cliffs of Devon behind us, we enter the grey cliffs of Cornwall. It's very beautiful.
Here in Cawsand Bay, we grabbed a wonderful anchorage, beautiful and calm under the lee of the tall cliffs in Cawsand Bay.
There is Sea Pigeon, sitting pretty in the water of Cawsand Bay. The town of Cawsand is untouched by time, unspoilt and original.
Here you can see the gun emplacements covering Plymouth Sound. These are remnants of the Second World War, giving incredible coverage right across Plymouth Sound. We moored up in Plymouth for one day to get some essential spares. Now spares is one thing I carry a lot of. I carry a spare alternator. But what I don't carry is the very long bolt in the bottom that holds the alternator in. So into town to get some more thread. Simple job.
While Neil was away shopping, I caught up with an old friend, Dr. Mickey. It's always good to catch up with old friends. She braved the dinghy and came out to the boat, and we had tea. Once all the repairs were done, we had a short day sail to Fowey. Fowey is a charming seaside town in southern Cornwall. In Fowey, we were able to fill up with water and petrol and diesel and everything we needed. We went shopping for 5 days' food supply and just about everything we could need for the next leg of our journey. Now the plan was we were only going to stay in Fowey for a day. Sadly, Neil left his wallet back in Plymouth and had to take the train from Fowey back to Plymouth and back again, which took 5 hours. But it was quicker than taking the boat back to Plymouth again. We had most of this on camera, of course, the trip back to Plymouth and the train ride and everything. But unfortunately, this is where we don't have any footage because we lost the camera in the water. Fortunately, we still have all the drone footage, so we can show you lots of overhead shots of the River Fowey. This is the exact spot where we dropped the GoPro, and all the footage was lost.
The reason we haven't put a video out for so long is that we've been sailing, and normally when we edit we have a big home PC with 2 great big screens to edit from and a nice hi-fi to listen to. At the moment we're editing on a laptop, which sounds easy but it has its own complications, but we're getting there, and I have to say we're both very fussy.
Join us next time as we attend a Moody Owners Rally in Falmouth.